Hello friends, today I am going to show you what is inside Lenovo's Thinkpad T550. This is battery area. This is RAM. We have two slots for RAM. This is hard disk drive. This is battery, internal battery, and this is solid state drive. It is half the size of my finger. This is Wi-Fi card. And this is VGA connectivity. This is USB slot. This is charging point. On this side we have display port, mini display port, and two USB ports. The Thinkpad T550 has two batteries. One is the external battery, this one, and this is internal battery. Thank you for watching the video, guys.